Hello everyone, I hope you are in best of your spirits. I am Purti Garg, a national memory champion, and I have been felicitated at several places. The topic for today is types of economic recovery. It is one of the topic of economic survey. See, economic survey is a very bulky document. There are so many important topics within it, like the terms, like the trends, the important aspects that are given into it. So we need to cater to all of them. So we will be learning them slowly one by one. For today, we will be learning types of economic recovery. And before starting the session, I would like to tell you that you guys can interact with me. You can ask your doubts on the Telegram channel. The link for this is given in the description below. You can join me there. Also, I'll be giving you some MCQs for practice. We'll be having MCQ sessions, revision sessions every alternate day. Like Monday, Wednesday and Friday, I'll be giving you video sessions. Tuesday, Thursday and Saturday we'll be having MCQ sessions. Okay, and there will be revision sessions as well. You will get all the details in the Telegram channel. So do join there. You can interact with me there, ask your doubts, you share it with your friends, and yes, do not forget to like the video, share the video and subscribe the channel. Okay, so let's start for today's topic. The types of economic recovery. The first one is Z-shaped recovery. Now, with the help of these memory techniques, we'll try to transform these things into the ones that we can visualize, that we can see. For example, we do not forget a movie. Why? Because we can see a picture. We can see the series of pictures going on. So it imprints in our mind. It settles down in our mind. Similarly, here also I will try to change these things into a movie or into a small story so that you do not forget them. Okay. So let's utilize our knowledge of kindergarten over here. It is Z-shaped recovery. Now, if I tell you to learn Z-shaped, L-shaped, U-shaped, so you will get confused after a period of time. But here, if I say Z for zebra, now let's relate these points. Let's associate these points with zebra. So it is the most optimistic scenario in which the economy quickly rises after a crash. Quickly rises is the keyword and it is the most optimistic. So see, now if you are beating a zebra, you beat him, he falls down and again he gathers strength and stands up. You again beat him, he will again stand up. So after a crash, that means after you beat a zebra, it again rises up very quickly. So whenever you will see Z-shaped recovery in a question, you can recall zebra. You can see this zebra galloping like a horse. That means it is rising quickly. So the economy quickly rises after a crash. The next one is V-shaped recovery. Now, if you remember V for van, we have learned it in our kindergarten. And if you remember that environmental convention video session, there also we learned Vienna Convention. The code for Vienna was van. So the roof of the van protects us from the harmful rays. So it was a convention on the protection of ozone layer. Similarly here V for van. So economy quickly recoups lost ground and gets back to the normal growth trend line. So normal is the keyword over here. So just imagine when you are driving a van. So while traveling, you come across some barriers like speed breakers, some pits. So you have to lower down the speed. But after passing them, you again press the accelerator and get back to the normal speed with which you were driving earlier. So with van, we have associated normal growth trend line. With zebra, it was quickly rising up. But van, it gets back to the normal speed with which we were traveling earlier. So normal growth trend line. The next one is U-shaped recovery. U for umbrella. So just imagine an umbrella. Economy after falling struggles and muddles around a low growth rate for some time before rising gradually. Gradually is the keyword here. So see, just imagine that a strong wind is blowing. So you have to struggle here. You have to struggle a lot to hold the umbrella tight, and due to the wind, it turns upside down. So you struggle and gradually you turn back into its original shape. So it happens gradually. So low growth rate for some time before rising gradually to usual levels. It takes some time to get back to its usual shape. So gradually it is done. So gradually. Then the next one is W-shaped recovery. W for W or watch, but here we'll be using W itself. It is very simple because see, growth falls and rises, but falls again before recovering yet again. So growth falls, here see growth falls, then again growth rises, again growth falls, again it rises over here. So fall, rise, fall, rise. So it forms a W-shaped chart. Then L-shaped recovery. L for lion, we all have learned. So it is the worst case scenario in which growth after falling stagnates at low levels. This is very important and does not recover for a long time. Now, how can you learn this? See, if without these stories you would be learning them, so you must get confused. Like U shape में क्या था, Z में क्या था, L में क्या था. But since we are associating something, you will never forget. Why? Because with you can associate umbrella quickly. Oh, you were holding tightly, and gradually it was turning back to its original shape. So gradually, zebra, it after crash, it came back very quickly. So economy quickly rises. Similarly for lion, it is the worst case scenario because after falling down, after you beat a lion or after falling down due to some situation, it takes lot of time to gather. It takes lot of time to stand back basically. So it stagnates at low levels. It struggles a lot to stand up. So it stagnates and does not recover for a long time. So the lion does not fall easily, but once it falls, it takes a lot of time. It keeps in that position for some time. It stagnates over there and then it does not recover for a long time. As you can see a line over here, it will take some time to stand up because it is like not well something, you can imagine. So it will take a lot of time to recover. So it will be in this situation for a little bit of time. So it does not recover for a long time. The next one is J-shaped recovery. J for Joker, we all have learned. So it is an unrealistic scenario plus growth rises sharply from the lows much higher, very important, much higher than the trend line and stays there. For example, in VAN, V-shaped recovery, VAN, get back to its normal growth trend line. But here in J-shaped recovery, the growth is much higher. So how will you associate this? Just imagine that the crowd is very sad. They are very upset due to some situations due to some reason. And this joker tries to make them laugh due to with its activities. He does some funny activities and he makes the people laugh. So they come back with a higher energy. They were sitting sad. But after seeing the activities of the joker, they start laughing and they come back with a higher level of energy. So the growth rises sharply from the lows much higher because now they are coming back with a higher level of energy. So much higher than the trend line and stays there. So this is the way how we'll be learning them. So this topic was very important. Let's have a quick revision. Z-shaped recovery. So Z for zebra, it quickly rises. So economy quickly rises after a crash. V-shaped, it gets back to the normal growth trend line. Once you cross the barrier, it comes back to its normal speed. U-shaped, you struggle a lot to hold it tight and then it gradually takes time. It comes back to its normal shape gradually. W-shaped, fall and rise. L-shaped lion, it stagnates at low levels and then it does not recover easily for a long time. And finally J, he tries to make people laugh and then the crowd comes back with a higher level of energy. So economy rises much higher than the trend line and stays there. So this was all for today. Now for MCQs, you can join me on the Telegram session. Okay, all the details will be given to you there. The link is given in the description below. So join me there. And yes, do not forget to like the video, share it with your friends and subscribe the channel. See you soon with a more amazing video. Till then, stay tuned. Take care.